Hey everyone, I am Krishna. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something which has helped a ton of software engineers to crack their coding interviews. It's the OP Blind 75 list. I found this list when I was preparing for my interviews and thought that, oh, this might be very helpful for others and shared it in lead code back in 2019, 22, 2020. And it's amazing to find out that how much it has helped developers in their interview journey. Now, if you're new here, a quick hi, I'm Krishna Day, and in this channel, I talk about software engineering, how to prepare for your interviews, how to grow your career, whether you are a student or a professional. If this is something that you are excited about and that you need, definitely subscribe and press the notification bell icon for regular updates. All right, let's jump in. Let's see why the Blind 75 list is so helpful. This list isn't just a random set of problems. It's planned out to cover all the really important data structures that you will see in interview. Think of things like list, arrays, trees, graphs, heaps, all that good stuff. But it also covers the key ways to solve problems like searching, sorting, moving through data, using divide and conquer, dynamic programming, and even those tricky greedy methods. It got everything. Okay, so it covers everything. But let's just talk about what actually makes the blind 75 list special. It's the pattern based learning. The cool thing about blind 75 is that it helps you see patterns in problems. You'll start recognizing similar things over and over again. These are like shortcuts that make problem solving much easier. We are talking about two pointer trick, sliding window idea, using binary search to solve problems, the top key elements, right? Dynamic programming problems, moving through graphs using BFS, right? And learning these patterns isn't just about solving these problems. You should be able to identify these patterns in any problems, and that is crucial to crack any interview. Now, let's talk about how the list is structured to make your learning easier. The list is designed to take you on a learning journey. Starts with easier problems and slowly introduces harder stuff as you go along. It builds from basic ideas to more advanced ones. The list starts with simple ones like Tucson and then gets more complex as you go on, right? It's also make sure you really understand basic patterns, data structures, algorithms before you move to the harder stuff. So, why the list is so good for an interview prep? Here's why it's so useful. First of all, it's organized. The list gives you a clear path for your preparation. It's focused. It helps you concentrate on the most important stuff. You spot patterns. You learn to see patterns, which makes problem solving much easier, right? It makes you more confident. Once you have mastered the list, you feel much more confident in the interviews. It saves your time. It helps you focus on what matters so your time is used well. And it builds strong basics, gives you a solid foundation that helps with harder problems later on. Look, the blind 75 is great, but it's also good to know what it doesn't cover. It's not perfect, right? Not It does not have everything. It does not have every single pattern or algorithm. Some specific things might be missing. It might need more. For some interviews or special areas, you might need to add more problems and this complexity gap. Really tricky algorithms or data structures might not be in there. But don't let that worry you. The Blind 75 list is an awesome list to get started for your interview preparation and make your basics strong. And I have a special surprise for you all, right? I have been creating a new list of 100 carefully chosen questions that builds on the fantastic Blind 75. And I am giving access to the first 100 to 150 people who join the waitlist absolutely free. So if you're looking to get better at your interview prep, you got to check out the link below. Join the wish list and you could be one of the few who gets my new list. And if this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and add a comment on your opinion about Blind 75, what videos you want me to make in future. Thank you.